This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Palladium 1930 is a Class B RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 19 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Palladium 1930 is built on a Ford Transit Trail AWD chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.